Hey everybody, and welcome back to the MindCatcher's channel. Today we're going to play around with these two palettes from Juvia's place once again. That's the Dolce palette, I think they're pronouncing it that way, and the Zulu by Juvia's place, the Zulu palette. Okay, so I'm going to be dipping into both and trying out a look. I'm going to be starting out with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. And as you guys see, I've already applied foundation and everything else. I'm doing Foundation Friday in advance. So that's why you see my face all made up. I'm going to start off with the Zulu palette. I'm going to go all around my eye with this brown right here. I'm absolutely adoring that brown shade. It is so pigmented. Look at that. Don't be afraid to put that color on. We're going to be nice and bold today. All right, as you guys see, we worked that on the inner and outer corners all around the transition. It didn't matter if it got kind of in the middle. Don't worry about that. We're going to clean it up later, okay? We're also going to apply a deeper shade here in the palette. Actually, it's in the other palette. This is in the Dolce palette. It's called Chocolate. Gonna work that out in the crease. So we're taking it just a little bit lower than the transition area, and we're gonna pack that color there. We're building it up. I'm going to go back into that lighter brown from the Zulu palette and just go around and blend. So I'm going to use a little bit of NYX eyeshadow base. This one is in skin tone. All right, so I'm going to apply that right there in the center of the eyelid because I'm going to use a different color there. I'm going to use this minty green shade called Macaroons. And that's what I'm putting on the center of the eye. And I'm going to go around it with a little short stem brush. This is from Stilazzi, and it's a flat dome shader, L210. I'm going right around it. So now that we've done that on both eyes, I'm going to add some eyeliner. This is from Milani. This is their matte black eyeliner. And I need my little mirror close to my eyes for this. I may have to go back around this with a darker liner. That eyeshadow is very, very bright and it's shining through this liner, so I may have to go back around. Alright guys, even though I like the look the way it is very, very pretty to me. I still want to add a little bit of deepness there in the outer corner. That dark brown was pretty dark, but it's starting to look a little lighter to me. So let's go with a little bit of black. This one is from Inglot. Very lightly. Almost as though the black is coming from the liner. And then very, very lightly over the top with that lighter brown. Especially in the inner and outer areas. I'm going to apply some lashes. Alright guys, let's work on our lower lash line here. We have on lashes. They are huge, I know. I'm going to be applying my Makeup Forever Aqua XL. I have weepy eyes, especially if something around me is too fumey or something like that. My eyes will water, so this works well for me. And this is pretty much the only thing I put in my waterline. And it doesn't move. It's waterproof, smudge proof. Doesn't move. Looks like I'm going to have to apply a little bit more makeup right here. I hate it when that happens. I'm also going to put a little bit of that lighter brown eyeshadow down there on the bottom lash line. I'm going to put some of the deeper brown right there in the outer corner. Try to find a brush. It's going to work well. I'm going to use this flat brush by Sigma. This is the E15. And I can get right under the lash line. I'm going to apply a little lash primer. This one is from Blink Cosmetics. And on top of that, I'm using the Tartiest mascara from Tarte. I'm going to use a lip liner from ColourPop. This is called BFF3. And I'm going to use the CoverGirl Queen Collection shade Cakewalk. And I can't help but to outline my lips with pitch. And I know I need to put pitch down sometimes, but I love it. This is a CoverGirl Look Lock-Up Setting Spray. Okay, CoverGirl also has something called the Melting Pout Glitz. And it's just like a topper you put over lipsticks. It says Liquid Glitter Top Coat. I don't want to put too much, but I am curious. Oh. Okay. It has some silver sparkle in it. I was curious. Okay. It's not too bad with this look. You have to just not go crazy with it, but I like it. I can see there's a time and a place for it. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do something with my hair, and I'll be right back with the completed look. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and this is your completed look, and I am adoring the eye look, and it kind of matches the green here in my shirt. Very cute. This shirt is Nikki by Zahar. You guys know Platinum here on YT, Platinum D. She has a collection with a company called Zahar. This is plus size fashion, and this is one of the shirts. So I'm just giving a little shout out to her. I'll put a picture here of me wearing the shirt, and I'll put a link for it down below if you're interested in supporting our sister here on YT. Hopefully you guys like the makeup and you will try it for yourself. And you guys leave in the comment section what you would like to see next. The foundation that I'm wearing right now will be up for Foundation Friday because it's new to me. It's not a new foundation, but it's new to me. So I'm going to put it up for Foundation Friday. So check that out on Friday. And that is it. Remember to follow me on Instagram, Patreon, and Snapchat. And I will talk to you in the next video. Cyber kisses. Bye.